going to be running the Arduino sketch with a Piezo Electric Speaker here, which has custom attached pins to the microcontroller. Here's some coding for a melody. I'll just press the reset button as it's already uploaded. Basic tune, pretty basic. Let's upload something a bit more complicated. As you can see what it is. Has to change the pin to pin 4. One of the wires come out. Pin 4. There it is. Highly loud and kind of annoying. But that's the French can playing anyway. Although it took a whole library of coding, as you can see all the frequencies of the speaker. For a lot of frequencies. And that's that sketch.